In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Photos widget. Whether you are using an Android device or an iPhone, these steps will guide you through the process. First, let's make sure that Google Photos is installed on your device. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. For iPhone or iPad users, head to the App Store, search for Google Photos, and either install it or update it if you already have it. Once installed, open the app and sign in to your Google account. This step is crucial because it ensures that the widget will appear in your widget list. Signing in helps the app sync with your account, displaying your photos seamlessly. Now, let's move on to adding the widget to your home screen. For Android users, touch and hold an empty area on your home screen. A menu will pop up. Tap on Widgets, which will show you a list of available widgets. Scroll through and find Google Photos. There, you will see options like Your Memories. Choose a Photos widget and drag it onto your home screen. At this point, you're customizing your experience, making your memories easily accessible. If you're on iOS, the process is slightly different but just as simple. Touch and hold an empty area on your home screen until the apps jiggle. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner, then search or scroll to find Google Photos. Select a widget size and tap Add Widget to place it on your home screen. With the widget added, let's use it. The widget automatically displays photos from your Google Photos memories. This is convenient because it brings your favorite moments right to your fingertips. Tap any photo in the widget to open it in the Google Photos app. You'll see your images rotate automatically, keeping your home screen fresh with new memories over time. This automatic rotation is great because it gives you a delightful surprise every time you glance at your device. If you have multiple Google accounts, you might want to change which account the widget uses. Open the Google Photos app. Switch to the desired account by tapping on your profile picture and selecting the account you want. Re-add or reconfigure the widget if you are prompted to do so. Remember, this ensures that the widget shows photos from the account you prefer, keeping your memories personal. Here's a quick tip. The Google Photos widget is designed to show memories and selected photos automatically. While you can't choose specific albums or individual photos for the official widget, it does a great job of selecting highlights for you. If the widget doesn't appear on your device, open Google Photos once, then try adding the widget again. This often resolves visibility issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have a Google Photos widget on your home screen, displaying your cherished memories. Enjoy the convenience of having your favorite photos just a tap away. Thanks for watching and happy photographing.